So this is basically a Noahide law, Public Law 10214. Okay, so this is law. So I'm going to the watchyourfiles.com Noahide Laws, and again, so this reads: the penalty for violating any of these Noahide laws is spelled out on page 1192 of the Encyclopedia Judaica. Violations of any of the 7 laws subjects Noahide to capital punishment by decapitation. This says the Jewish law, basically you need one, if you're a Gentile, you only need one witness. Whoops, sorry about the shaky camera. I'm going to go look at this. We're going to go find this.